You'll know what to do when I start talking. Here we have a game wall fire alarm box from 1895 with the original Chicago fire alarm door. But notice it doesn't say gas and electricity, it says the Game Wall Fire Alarm Telegraph Company, New York, making this a rare box. Normally, Chicago boxes, they come with a replacement door from the 1950s. And you want to get this thing with a nice original old door. Lock's been leaded in, so you could have quick access. The locks were removed after the Our Lady of Angels fire in 1957. Here we have a nice old game wall movement. We'll open it up here. And you see we got a box number 1115. And look how small the code wheel is. It's the smallest one you'll ever see. Here's your telegraph key for communicating with the fire alarm office. And your bell. And thought we'd just pull the box so you guys could see a Chicago call box with a true Chicago inner movement working. Thought you would enjoy that, and return later for more videos of Chicago fire alarm equipment. Have a nice day.